H1B visa is a scam. US job is stolen by Indian H1B visa holders. These are the some comments fueling the current controversy around the H1B visa these days. Today, we will discuss why it's important for the US to have the H1B visa and what would happen if we were to stop it. Firstly, what is the H1B visa? It's an opportunity for US companies to bring in skilled workers from abroad, particularly from the countries like India, where there is a huge pool of talent in IT and engineering. These visas allow a stay of 3 years extendable and can even lead to permanent residency. And a similar program exists in other countries too. Canada has the temporary foreign worker program, Australia has the subclass 482 visa, and the UK offered a skilled worker visa. But for Indian professionals, the US has been the dream destination largely because of its tech industry. Each year, the US issue around 85,000 H1B visa, with over 70% of these going to Indian nationals. Now let's debunk the myth that the H1B visa is just about taking jobs. It is so much more than that. For example, have you ever wondered how the industries like IT, engineering, and healthcare manage when they don't have enough skilled professionals in the US? The H1B visa filled these gaps by bringing the talent from various countries. Annual around 70,000 Indian origin H1B visa holders secure job in the US, mostly in the IT role like software developer, data analyst, and network engineer, but also in engineering and healthcare, where they serve as a mechanical engineer, biomedical researcher, and healthcare administrator. From China, approximately 10,000 H1B visa holders get job each year, filling the role similar to the Indian national, with a significant number in research and development. Canada contributes around 1,500 H1B visa holders annually from the role in project management and business analysis. South Korea sent about 1,000 H1B workers, many of whom are engineering and tech support positions. With these diverse influx of expertise from all these countries, many critical roles would remain unfilled, potentially slowing down progress in these industries. Another big reason why the H1B visa is so valuable is its impact on innovation. Think about all the tech startups, groundbreaking patent, and the new technology that comes from the diverse teams. H1B visa holders plays a major role in driving these innovations. Each year, H1B visa holders are behind founding up approximately 34% of all tech startups in the US, contributing to an entrepreneur ecosystem that is vital for growth and job creation. Moreover, they were involved in filling about 25% of the most groundbreaking patents annually, significantly influencing areas like AI, biotech, and green technology. They are often at the forefront of the developing new ideas and solutions that keep the US a leader in the global tech scene. Now let's talk about the unique contribution of Indian H1B visa holder, because they bring some incredible advantage to the table. Each year, around 70,000 Indian nationals receive H1B visa, making up nearly 75% of the total H1B visa issued. First of all, let's start with their talent. Indian professionals are known for their strong education in STEM field. Many of them come with the advanced degree, with about 30% holding master's or higher degree from the prestigious institutions like the IITs and IIMs. They bring expertise in software development, data science, network architecture, and more, which are critical for tech innovation. But it's not just about their technical expertise. There is also something special about their work ethics. Studies indicate that Indian H1B visa holder work an average of 52 hours per week, often exceeding the standard 40-hour work week, showcasing their dedication. Their work ethic is reflected in high productivity rate, with many companies reporting that the Indian employee contribute significantly to the project completion rate. They often value teamwork and peaceful approach to solve a problem, which can be seen in their lower involvement in the workplace dispute. Only about 2% of workplace conflicts involving H1B visa holder compared to higher rate among the other group. And let's not forget about their sense of responsibility. Many Indian H1B visa holder end up taking on leadership role within their teams. They are trusted for their ability to manage tasks and contribute positively to the team dynamics. It's notable that about 20% of Indian H1B visa holder rise to managerial or leadership position within the 5 years of their employment. However, there is a discussion around compensation where some statistics suggest that on average, Indian H1B visa holder might earn up to 10 to 15% less than their American counterpart in similar roles. Beyond their contribution in the workplace, there is also a big economic impact. Indian H1B visa holders significantly boost the US economy. Annually, they contribute around 85 billion in income taxes. Their local spending is substantial, with estimates suggesting they inject over 76 billion into the economy each year through their living expense. Now imagine a world without H1B visa. What would that look like? Well, for starters, US companies would face major talent shortage. They would struggle to fill highly skilled roles, especially in fields like IT, engineering, and healthcare. For instance, without H1B visa, there would be shortfall of around 300 to 500,000 workers in STEM field annually, which could slow down innovation and growth across the board. And it's not just about finding people to do the work, it's about staying competitive in the global market. If companies can't find the talent they need here, they might look elsewhere. We could see global companies expanding operations outside the US, taking jobs and innovation with them. Economic projections suggest a potential GDP loss up to 340 billion over a decade without H1B visa contributions. For Indian professionals, the impact would be equally significant. Many see the US as a dream destination for the advance their career, especially in tech. Without the H1B visa, the opportunities will disappear. This talent might shift to other countries like Canada, Australia, or even stay in India, changing the trajectory of their lives and career entirely. For example, Canada has seen 35% of increase in application for its global talent stream program in the last 2 years as an alternate to the H1B. And while some might think removing H1B visa would open up more jobs for American workers, the reality isn't that simple. Sure, there could be major job opening in short term, but over the time, the lack of innovation and progress could actually lead to a fewer high quality jobs being created. At the end of the day, the H1B visa isn't a scam, it's a strategic tool for economic and technological advancement. Yes, there are valid concerns, but the solution lies in the reform, not the abolition. Please like and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more such videos.